Hey guys, it's me. I'm sorry I haven't been posting a video this week, but I got you guys one, as I thought I would try to do, as I said I would do. And here's a nature walk with Bing! And he is doing some nature stuff on a bus. Oh my god, he's so ugly. Just look at that weird, awkward mushroom cut thing. Look at the dyke in the mirror. Oh my god.
Shrek isn't here today, so that makes it even better.
Oh my god. She is so ugly. She looks like a crackhead librarian. Oh my god. This is the worst of all worst. Little Critty. Just look at how ugly that thing was. Looks like Chewbacca got smacked in the face and knocked all of its hair off. Like I said, so ugly and creepy. The Swiper is hiding, but the little Critty is looking for things to stare at while the dyke reads the newspaper. Just look at him. Oh my god. Looks like a retarded Frankenstein. If you guys like this video, maybe you'll like the next ones that are going to be coming up. More nature walks with Bing the Awesome. Well, I've got to be going now, so